Hello, boss. This is my factory. Jijang Teizu Punking is a professional manufacturer of high-quality outdoor folding furniture, specializing in durable and portable chairs and tables perfect for camping, fishing, and outdoor adventures. Our products feature lightweight aluminum frames and smart folding mechanisms that save 70% space while maintaining exceptional strength and stability. We offer complete customization, including sizes, colors, and branding options to meet your specific market needs. As your reliable OEM or auto partner, we provide competitive pricing, strict quality control, and efficient order shipping to help grow your outdoor furniture business.